And the full generation cost me here almost 0 or 1 cent with generating the prompts, generating the image for free, uploading the image and storing the image free, generating with Runway 6 cents, and generating with VO3 is 40 cents per video. Okay, let's see what we're gonna have for 40 cents and let's compare them later. And this is the latest one with the fast model.
Best Auto. Transform your ride with Lexus IS 250 tuning parts.
Let's see.
Best Auto. Transform your ride with Lexus IS 250 tuning parts.
That's really good. If you want to download this workflow, from the link down in the description, you can go into my free school community, join it, and when you come to the community, just come to YouTube Video Vault, click the name of the video that you have been watching, and just next to the video you can see the files and the template and the SOP of the video. You can click and download the template and come to Na10. From here, import a file and straight away import and fill your details and your workflow is ready to go. I've got the workflow that is generating Nano Banana image, and then if we want a video with visuals only that we're gonna put the background music on later, we're gonna choose Runway and we're gonna generate the video with Runway for cheaper price. If AI agent decide that the video that we are requesting has to be with conversations and has to have some lines to speak, it's gonna go and from this switch it's gonna generate it with VO3 and we're gonna have the advertising. Okay, let's make an advertisement for Lexus IS 250 car bumper. Let's start. So we're gonna go to chat and we're gonna say, create me an ad for Lexus IS 250 front bumper. Our company name is Best Auto and we sell auto parts for tuning only. That's it. Okay, and this is the prompt. Let's see what is gonna generate and what path it's gonna take. Okay, the AI agent is generating our prompt. Okay, we have image prompt, video prompt, Runway, and 16.9. Let's see. It goes first, uploads the file. We're gonna have the file now in our Google Drive. Then it's gonna upload the image to cloud. You're gonna see the image and we will see now which model it has chosen. In order to use the image generated with the video generation models, we have to have a public link. So that's why I'm uploading it to imagebb. Okay, this is the image. Oh, this is a crazy image. Whoa. We have our image, everything is generated. Let me pin this so to not generate everything again. And as it is generated, it's gonna use it. So execute workflow now. And we're gonna see it has to get the Runway path. It's coming. We are seeing that it's successfully sent, but it's gonna go and check until the video is generated. Then it's gonna download it and upload it to our Google Drive. So I have the folders of Nano Banana ad creator. There you go. These are the images. This is the image that is generated. Best Auto premium tuning parts for your Lexus. This image is crazy good. I wasn't expecting that. And then in videos Runway, we're gonna see the next video. And this was the previous video that I have generated for testing. And let's see when this video is created, how it's gonna be. But Runway is not good with text, I think. So maybe it's gonna mess up the text. Okay, it's downloading the video, uploading it. And now we're gonna try. Okay, we have our video here. There you go. Let me open it and see. Okay, and this is the video. What are these moves with this car? It's not so right, but we got our text here, so we just can say to Runway, just don't generate text, and that's gonna be it. This is the video generation here, and it's really good. Let's go to our system prompt, and we're gonna say, when using Runway video generator, do not use text on the screen in the video generation prompt. Use text only in image generation prompt. That's it. This is really good. Let's generate another advertisement again for Lexus, but we're gonna say use sounds as well, and we're gonna say to be as Transformers or something. And we say make the logo to turn into a bumper like Transformers and to be installed to the car by itself, and the car become from normal one superior tuned car. Let's see what is gonna generate. Okay, the AI agent is generating the prompt now. We have our prompts. It's going for Runway 16.9 again for advertisement, and let's run it. We have the generated image, but it stopped for some reason. Let's see if it's gonna be executed. Okay, I have added the code node to convert B64 to image because the other one wasn't able to convert the file, so we're gonna upload it. And let's execute the full workflow again. Have our new image here, which is pretty good as well. Best auto transformation. Okay, see what type of video we're gonna have and if we're gonna be able to achieve what we wanted. Our video was successfully uploaded to our Google Drive. Let's see. Go to videos Runway, and the latest video is this. Let's download and run it. Okay, so this is the video. IS250, it's becoming Lexus RC with the bumper. Let's see if the bumper changes. Oh yeah, the bumper changes. So this bumper gets here, yeah, and the car starts becoming a sports car. Okay, if we say to generate it with VO3, what would be the result? Let's check what would be the result with VO3. I'm gonna request the same prompt, but I'm gonna tell it to generate it with VO3. Let's see what would be the result. But now it's gonna generate different prompt as well, because we have set for Runway generate different type of prompts, and for VO3 different. Okay, let's execute the workflow and see. We're gonna have our image. So this is the latest image generated. Okay, it's still processing, and then it's gonna go to download the video, and straight away I'm gonna download the video and upload it to our folder. We have our video uploaded. Let's see it. Go to videos VO3, and this is the old video, and this has to be the new video with VO3. Let's download it and see. This is the image that is used, and let's see the video now.
Best Auto. Transform your ride with Lexus IS250 tuning parts.
This was pretty good. Let's see it again.
Best Auto. Transform your ride with Lexus IS250 tuning parts.
That's really good. And this is the workflow. Now, from now, I can generate the images for free with Google's API. I'm using Kia AI for generating videos with Runway and VO3. Let's see how much does it cost me to generate one video. Okay, with Runway, one video cost me 12 credits. For $5 in Kia AI, you have 1000 credits. Let's calculate it. How much does it cost me to generate one video? Just bring the calculator in. 6 cents it cost me to generate one video with Runway, and the full generation cost me here almost 0 or 1 cent with generating the prompts, generating the image for free, uploading the image and storing the image free, generating with Runway 6 cents, and generating with VO3 is 40 cents per video. Okay, let's see what we're gonna have for 40 cents, and let's compare them later. Okay, in the end, after 3 minutes, we have our video. Let's check the 40 cents video. Have videos VO3, and this is the latest one with the fast model.
Best Auto. Transform your ride with Lexus IS250 tuning parts.
Whoa, this was pretty good. Even I like it more than the quality model, I think.
Best Auto. Transform your ride with Lexus IS250 tuning parts.
Okay, this is a really good video. Let's see.
Best Auto. Transform your ride with Lexus IS250 tuning parts.
That's really good. And then you can publish the videos and do whatever you want. This is gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to show you how quickly you can reduce your costs. For example, if you're generating your images with using some other models. Now with Nano Banana, you can straight away generate using your free API key from AI Studio, that you can go to AI Studio, aistudio.google.com, and here just come and click get API key. And when you go down, you can create your API key and just go to billing in your Google account, in your Google Cloud. Just put some details there just to have a billing account, because otherwise it's not going to work. And from here you can copy your API key and use it here. If you want to download this workflow, from the link down in the description, you can go into my free school community, join it, and when you come to the community, just come to YouTube Video Vault, click the name of the video that you have been watching, and just next to the video you can see the files and the template and the SOP of the video. You can click and download the template and come to Na10. From here, import a file and straight away import and fill your details, and your workflow is ready to go. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below what type of new workflows or new videos you want me to make. I'm gonna make them in future videos. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.